Hi, I'm Patrick Wanis. Welcome to another one of my insights into the secrets to losing weight, being thin and loving your body. Have you ever stopped to think, what is the real secret to weight loss? Is it just exercise more and eat less? If that's all it was, then why aren't we all slim? Why aren't we all naturally slender? Why don't we all have our natural body shape? What is it that creates the yo-yo diet? You go on a diet and it only works for so long, and before you know it, you've put that weight back on again. Very few people know the real answer. The secret here is what I call the law of deservedness. The law of deservedness says you get only what you subconsciously believe you deserve and no more. If you get more than what you subconsciously believe you deserve, guess what? You'll sabotage it or push it away. In other words, if being overweight has a benefit for you, a subconscious benefit that may not be instantly apparent or obvious, you will naturally keep moving back to that overweight shape. So for example, if you have a fear of intimacy or a fear of rejection, and being overweight prevents you from experiencing rejection or intimacy, you will naturally keep going back to that overweight body shape. That could be the benefit to holding on to the weight. So what we need to do is find out what's causing you to hold on to that weight. What are the benefits? How does it serve you? How does it protect you? How does it fit into your fear or to the other emotional issues or excess baggage that you're carrying around? These are what I call secrets to losing weight, being thin and loving your body. And in a very large presentation that I've made, I go into great detail about all of the secrets to losing weight, to being thin and to loving your body. I've also created a very special hypnosis CD to help remove those subconscious blocks, to help you believe that it's okay and that you deserve to have either a thin shape or your natural body shape. And then to reprogram you, to motivate you to exercise more and to eat less, to stop eating those sugars, those refined fats, to stop eating those sugars, to stop eating that refined food. So please feel free to visit my website at patrickwanis.com.